The dreaded Varroa mites. As you can see there, the little red mite on the bee has been eating away at the bee whilst it's been developing inside its cell. This bee also is struggling. It's got 2 Varroa mites on its back. When bees have succumbed to Varroa mites inside the cells, when they're developing, they end up with something called deformed wing virus, where you can see that the wings look like they've been eaten, and the bees just look weak and frail, and they're just it just makes the whole hive end up being weak.